They say if we'll only avoid any confrontation with the enemy, he'll forget his evil ways and learn to love it.
Hey guys, Aryan here, back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing with you, or rather telling you 5 applications that are helpful for making our Android usage more easy and more simple. So let's get started. Application 1, Share It. Now this is an application where you can share files, photographs, music, anything like games, applications, all that you want to share without internet, without Bluetooth, etc. So this will actually use your Wi-Fi, not actually use your Wi-Fi, but use the Wi-Fi signal operator to send or receive files. So for example, I send files. Now when I want to send files, I choose out of files, videos, application, photos and music, and I can choose out of these. So when I choose out of these, I can click on one, say OLX as an application. So I want to send this application, I click on send, and here you'll find the devices that you want to send. So this application has to be downloaded on both the devices. Let's move on to the next application. So application number 2. So this application is known, as you can see on the screen, as Boomerang. This application is used to organize and schedule emails from your email address. So let's get started. So when you click on this, there's a similar interface to your, for example, Gmail or any other mail. So you have all the options on the left hand side, your mail in the center, on the top right you have the compose mail. Now for example, you type in a recipient and you want to send a mail to somebody. So when you type in a mail, attach files, whatever you want to do, go to send later. Now you can add time. So for example, in next 2 hours, in next 4 hours, tomorrow, in a month, in 2 weeks, etc. Or you can add specific time as well here. So add a specific time and schedule the email ID. So you select a time and then it'll show you the way around. Application 3. This is known as the simple control. Now you can use this application as an alternative for your buttons. So if, for example, if you are sitting in a position where you buttons, for example, on the Samsung devices, the home button, or for example, your buttons no more work. So this is a good application. You can use it as an alternative. So when we are working with this application, this is actually really simple to operate. So for example, wherever you want to have your back button, the multitasking button and the home button, just go to for example, you want to have it on the left side. So enable the left side. Have it on the right side, enable the right side. Bottom, enable the bottom side. So the position will be fixed. So fix the position. Then the width, keep it small, preferably because it will hinder your work. And the height should be a bit smaller. So same on other two sides as well. This is for the right. And for the left, position it accordingly. And there you go. I mean, if you want to have a good width, then it might hinder in the process of working. But it's okay, it's up to you. Go to settings. It'll show some ads because this application is free eventually, but now enable this. Go to icon. Now select an icon pack. Now the ones which are in gray have to be bought. For the ones which are blue in color are free, of course. So I choose this one. So there we have it. Now go to the home screen. Now there you go. So you have it here, you have it here, you have it here. So you can use it for example, multitasking, go back, multitask, etc, etc. Application number 4 is Speedify. Now this is actually one of my favorite applications because I use data as well as Wi-Fi. But when both of them are slow, I need an application where I need to combine the speed, the bandwidth from both of them. So from the data and from the Wi-Fi, and combine them to have an unbreakable connection. So this app makes it really simple. So you click on the application, open it, go through the tutorial, enable the application, etc. Then sign in, connect, and start. I'm using a tablet right now, so I don't have data right now, but I have Wi-Fi and I use this application on my phone regularly. The last application, that is Night Owl. So this is actually a really good application. Now, as we all know that usually all smartphones have automatic brightness. So it sets the brightness on its own automatically. But this is an application which dims the screen brightness when it is night according to the lighting. So you set the screen dimmer. So according to the lighting in my room right now, this is the perfect screen brightness. From the top, you can bring the bar down and increase the dimness as well. So this is actually a pretty good application for your device. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you felt that these 5 applications were really helpful while you use your Android device, please subscribe to my channel, watch other videos, click the like button and share the videos. Thank you for your support. It's AD Tech here. Peace out.